say.
Oh my god. Just wait till I dunk it.
I just dunked it while you...
Oh my god.
Tink is okay.
We really just girls.
I'm still asking, so who wants to add 4 bags all in? Tink did just do 3 all in.
Oh my god.
It is really pretty. It mixes really well on my side, but the purple over there doesn't do.
It doesn't show.
Yeah.
Well, people always wanted your sinks to overflow.
Yeah, I know. She says mine looks more pink on yours and yours looks more green on mine. That's so funny.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Maybe because it's further away.
Yeah, who knows?
We are having a time.
We are having so much fun. We're gonna have so much fun cleaning later.
Oh, good.
Yay. I miss you.
Hi.
Oh,
How are you, my love? We have a lot of the same mods, yes. Good luck on this cleanup. Thank you. Thank you so much.
so RG, do you want that just on this side or do you want it split?
It's 9:48 here. That's true. At least it's 2 to clean up.
Yeah, RG has to stand for rich girl for sure.
Tea. Well, if you want powder, I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to start it. It's not gonna fit in my side.
You can split it. So we're splitting a blue and green from RG.
Oh, okay.
She's at 100. All right, we're gonna have to restart.
We have to restart. There's no way.
Oh yeah, always. Yeah. I will. You can finish yours while I'll do water, and then we'll switch.
Okay.
Girl, whatever. Sure.
Hmm?
We called her rich girl, and she says, "I wish." Mm-hmm.
For what you sin?
All the time too. You're being humble. I love it. We love a humble queen.
Right? Rich TikTok Auntie. We do not know what the next combo is gonna be.
She's keeping her green over there right now until I let mine go.
I don't know. It's going over there. My sponge is trying to float away.
Tidy bowl next. Yeah.
Is the next combo going to be sudsy? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Yes, I love them.
No, we're not sisters. Fully. Yes, it is. Yeah, I was gonna say you're gonna have to let some go before. It was down my shirt. It's okay.
That's why I'm trying to do this, because I feel like it's getting low, that if I scoop it up, it's going to splash.
Alright, I'm gonna get... RG, is there anything specific you want, or you just want me to put a blue and green combo together?
Thank you for all the taps. Yes, you can send for powder.
Oh, we love you over so much. You're the sweetest.
Oh my god, did someone send this to Leslie Letitia?
No, she was in here commenting.
Was she?
about,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
The Grinch sponge.
She will freak out
Yeah, I know.
if we're both live.
Yes, blue and green. Okay, okay, let me check it right now,
Okay,
love.
are we good? Do you think I can do this? Pull this now?
You
Okay.
guys can watch
Oh god.
hers while I get the next one set up.
Not it pulled this out too. What's happening?
No, I wanted that. Yeah, you'll pull that so that it can...
I know, I'm just trying to like rinse this a little bit. So it doesn't like affect.
Wait, let's see what she wanted. Blue and green bag.
Thank you for the follows. I don't know what we need. I don't know what else she's grabbing. Where did you travel from? South Carolina. You can send to either my Cash App, the Roly Poly Poly 21, or you can send to Sarah's, which is Clean Talk Sarah 2. Y'all, I am not used to having to like clean out in between. What the heck? No, a little far from Dallas. Ugh. I didn't know you were in Texas, too. Sent? Okay, I don't have... What did you send for? My phone's all the way over there. That's what I just thought of. I don't have the... Did you send to me or did you send to Sarah?
I don't have anything. So probably you.
That went so fast. $10 for lemon comment. For me. Or sent to me. Okay. Via Cash App. Okay. Oh, you're coming at the end of March? Where in South Carolina? How do you, whoa, this is weird. Okay. How do you work? Oh, never mind. I got it. Y'all, her sink thing is as much fun as it looks. Like, this is as much fun as it looks. The heck? Oh my God, can I just play with this? Guys, I don't need sponges. This is fabulous. I need one of these. I need that. That's what I need. Sorry guys, I can't see comments. I'm sorry.
Thank you for doing that. We're gonna share this.
The color? Okay.
Put it right in the middle of it.
I'm trying to go fast so I can use those dope bar on these.
Yeah, we can just worry about that later. Alright, let me hold up my phone.
Thank God our brunch is until 11, because I can tell you right now I would not be awake. Already. Why will you not go down like this? There's that. Okay. I missed so many comments, and I'm sorry. Oh, I'm glad it was satisfying. Okay, hang on. Are we BFFs? Yes.
So someone sent you for